So same way here you see two variables are there in Boston.mat. So Boston contains, so first we are going to load the data. So load, you have to use the command load Boston. This is going to be a loaded Boston.mat. So maybe I'll run this code so that on workspace you will see what is available in Boston. You see in Boston you have highs and lows. The highs contains the high temperatures in 2005. Low contains the low temperature in 2005. Plot the highs in red and lows in blue on one plot. Very simple. You see already you have in 2005. So plot all lows in highs in red. So plot, see the variable name in workspace, it is highs. Plot HIGS highs comma red. Highs in red. I have plotted. Since they have told use the same plot, I will be using hold on and then I'll be plotting the lows. Plot lows, comma, I have to use blue color. And I have to instruct MATLAB saying hold off. And add a legend describing each line. So legend I have to add saying first one is going to be highs and second one is going to be lows. I think I have written the code for whatever instruction is given here. We'll just run and see whether there are any issues in the code. Graph is coming fine, but our MATLAB has to say whether it is correct or not. We'll submit it here and see whether it is correct. Yes. So see, you have all the tick marks coming. This is a very interactive way of learning, right? So we can write the code on our own. We can compile the code and see whether the graph is coming. And once again, we'll compile the code using MATLAB and see whether the MATLAB is saying whether the code is correct or not from its end. So if all the tick marks you get, it means that your code is right. So this is going to be the topic for the day. So working with live scripts. So we have taken a lot of examples and we have seen how live scripts can be created in MATLAB and how live scripts can be executed and run, how to debug the live scripts, how to create a sample project using live script, how to share the live scripts. So everything we have done, everything we have understood. And sharing, I think we didn't go much, but see here, you can share your live script this way. You can share your live script like save as. So you can export your live script as a PDF file or HTML file or a LaTeX file. So available formats are there. You can use your see the difference here. It is like gasplaces.mlx. Here it is gasplaces.html. So directly you can export the code into a HTML page. So the scripts available are you can export it into a PDF or HTML or LaTeX. LaTeX is a word formatting software, so you can export the live script as and when you like. You into different formats, and you can send it as a mail attachment to your friends. Usually, when you directly attach .m file into your email will consider it as a virus and block it. So for avoiding that, what people do while you are sharing code, either you will be zipping the code and sending, or you will be exporting the code as a PDF file and you will be sending the PDF file. That is what is being sent across or you put it in a Google Drive and share the drive location to your friend. You can download the file anywhere across the world. So that is what we have for the day. So live scripts we have seen, how to execute live scripts we have seen, or how to debug things we have seen. So all the sample project on both temperature we have seen at the end, how to code data, how to plot the data, and how to add legend to the data we have seen.